Want to make your layouts more interactive? Instead of basic grid, use an image accordion. Today, I'll show you how to build this clean interactive section for your team or portfolio pages. You do not need any paid tools for this. We are using the free version of Elementor and the free ElementsKit Lite plugin. Let's get started. Navigate to the ElementsKit dashboard and ensure the image accordion toggle on. Then go to your page. So ElementsKit offers you massive library of ready-made templates. For this, I'm clicking the ElementsKit icon and I'm going to the sections. Now I'm searching for the image accordion widget. I have a lot of options and I think this one looks pretty good. So I'm clicking this one. You can choose as per your need, for your mood and your work, etc, etc. Well, after that I'm inserting that one in my page. In your page will look like that. See, this page looks so well. Okay, for this, in the content tab we have the accordion items, which is the first one is set as attractive smile, and you can edit the text from here. Then if you want to enable any icon, you just have to select yes, then just choose any icon, and then after that click insert, and then you can add the icon before and after of your widget. See, the icon has arrived, but the before it looks very well in before, though it doesn't go with that. You just can use any icons with your context. Then we have a wrap link. If you want to add any wrap link, you can add it from here. Then we have enable button. If you want to add any button, you can enable it from here. Then another option, which is enable pop-up, and yeah, like that. Then you can also add any project link here, so you can add the link icon also. If you add any link, you can add icons for this. Then we have another, which one is also set as attractive smile, though the girl is not smiling, she has a mild smile in her face anyway. Then we have the other options as well. So here, if you want to add anything, any item, you can add it from here. Just click add item, then you will get an option. Then you just have to choose any image from your website. I think this one looks good. Let's just insert it. See, the new face has already arrived. If you want to add the title, you can change it from here. I'm just keeping the name as image, and see, it is showing image there. And you know, the button which is set as read more, you can change the label of your button. If you do not want any sort of button, you just click no, then it will just disappear like that. But I think that button, if you need, it will look good. And after adding button, you just have to add your button URL here. You can just copy and paste it there. Well, and finally we have the option called horizontal and vertical, and you know, when you click vertical it will look like that, but I'm keeping it as horizontal. And finally we have active behavior, which one is click. See, it is not moving, but if you select the option hover, you just have to move your cursor like that and it will move. Then we have the style tab. In the style tab, you can change the minimum height of the pictures, and I think this height looks so well. Here I can see all of the images. Then we have the gutter option, but I think that the gutter option number 2 looks well. Then we have the background type, which is set as gradient. You can change if you need. I don't think that I need any changes because it already looks very beautiful, which ElementsKit has made ready for us. So I'm liking this one. Then we have padding, margin, border type. The border type is set as default, but I'm keeping, I think the solid one also looks good. Then we have border width, border color. The border color, yeah, this color looks good. Then if you want to change the radius, you can change like that, but I like my edges to be sharp as my mind is so sharp, you know. Then we have the option called title. Then we have margin, icon spacing, color, and you know, icon size as well. You can change it from here. Then finally we have options like content, button, and action icon. If you need any changes in this, you can just change it from here. Finally we have advanced option. In advanced option, we can see that there are margin, padding, width, align self, and order. So yeah, these are the settings you can change from your advanced tab, and it will help you to look your website look more aesthetic and unique and very attractive to your visitors. Then the final thing is you have to check your responsiveness through the mobile view. See, in mobile view it also looks so perfect. And then we have the tablet portrait view. This one also looks good. and the work we are doing so far was in the desktop mode. This one also already look good, we all know. So yeah, that was it. But if you want to make it from scratch, you just have to search for the Image Accordion widget, which will be available in the widget library, and it is completely free. You just have to drag and drop it to your page and see. Then you can add images and the other options like the buttons and the title, etc, etc. Those I have already mentioned to you in the previous section. So yeah, that was it. This is all it takes to build a clean interactive image accordion using free tools. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tutorials. See you in the next time.